What animal is this? Lion. Can you guess these animals by a zoomed in picture? Only a genius can guess the last one. Let's go. Number 2. Elephant. Number 3. Zebra. If you got the easy ones right, like the video please. Number 4. Wolf. Number 5. Rabbit. Number 6. Giraffe. Make sure your phone is not being spied on. Click the arrow at the very bottom right, then swipe and click more, and make sure you don't have a Hack Me app. Number 7. Fox. Number 8. Cheetah. Number 9. Octopus. Are you ready for last level insane question? Don't forget to follow and comment your score to be on the weekly leaderboard of the top performers. Number 10. Platypus.